Hey everyone, and welcome back to my class of English Literature. This is your Sophie ma'am. Today, I am going to give you the summary of the chapter Glimpses of the Past by S.D. Sawant. This chapter describes the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. The pictorial glimpses in the lesson will talk about the conditions that led to the event known as the First War of Independence in 1857. Now let us look at the mind map of the chapter. Point number 1. With its superior weapons, British East India Company extended its power. Point number 2. In Indian princes, they were short-sighted and they lacked unity. Point number 3. Tipu Sultan of Mysore, he fought with the Britishers till the end. Point number 4. Untouchability and child marriage. These two social evil practices we are going to see in this chapter. Indians had lost self-respect. Point number 6. Britishers imposed heavy taxes. Point number 7. Raja Ram Mohan Roy reformed the Indian society. Point number 8. Britishers continued to oppress the Indians. Point number 9. Macaulay suggested a change. Point number 10. In 1855, the Santals rose in rebellion. Point number 11. Violent outbreak at Meerut. And point number 12. Kunwar Singh of Bihar. Now let us look at the summary of the chapter. The story begins with some events that took place in 1757. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in the 18th century India. The Indian princes were short-sighted and they lacked unity. And because of their constant fights, the people, they had no peace. The British East India Company took advantage of this and successfully took over the Indian rulers. Tipu Sultan of Mysore, he fought the British till he died. Now, how did the Indians react to these conquests? Some set of people, they were very happy with the Britishers, whereas other people, they actually saw what the reality was. Some religious leaders, they practiced some ideas like untouchability and child marriage. The Indians had lost self-respect and the Britishers, they scorned them. The Britishers now imposed heavy taxes and forced the farmers to abandon their lands. Starting from 1772 to 1833, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, he began to reform the Indian society. He said that knowledge should be practical and scientific. The Britishers, they continued to oppress the Indians. Now in 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay, he suggested a change. He said that we should teach the natives through the English language. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. In 1855, in Bengal, the Santals rose in rebellion. Now there was some discontent that was brewing in the East India Company's army too. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. The revolt of 1857 continued to spread and grow. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Ahmedabad. In this revolt, Kunwar Singh of Bihar was hit by a bullet in his wrist and which he dedicated to Mother Ganga as an offering. Children, we will be discussing the activity related to this chapter during our online interactive classes. Till then, take care and see you also.